Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing Spectrum TV in 2026 and answering some of the simple question, is it actually worth it? So if you are thinking about cutting the cable, switching the providers or using the Spectrum TV without a cable box, this review is going to help you decide. So first of all, let's just briefly understand what is Spectrum TV exactly. So Spectrum TV is a live streaming service that lets you watch the channels using an app instead of the traditional cable box. You can use it on your TV, on Roku, Fire Stick, phones, and even tablets. So let's just understand what is good about it. So the biggest advantage here is of convenience. You don't need a cable box in every single room. You just have to install the application from Google Play Store or App Store, then simply sign in. The second plus is here the channel quality, which is very solid. Most of the major news, sports, and the entertainment channels stream smoothly here, especially if you already have the Spectrum internet. Another plus here is cloud DVR. You can record the shows and you can watch them later without any extra hardware, which is great for the sports and the daily shows. Now, after knowing all the pros of Spectrum TV, we also need to talk about the downsides. First of all, when you come here on the official website of Spectrum TV, you are going to see all of their plans. So as you can see, their TV series or their TV select signature plan is going to cost you $115 per month. So the price is not the cheapest. Once the promotions end, the Spectrum TV can feel really expensive as compared to the pure streaming services. Also, some of the features like the DVR or their premium channels cost you extra, while the application works well on most of the devices and most of the times. The occasional bugs and the sign-in issues do happen, especially after the update. So you must be wondering, who is it best for, right? So this particular application is best if you already use Spectrum internet, you want live TV channels and you don't want the cable boxes everywhere. But if you only watch Netflix, YouTube, or on demand shows, Spectrum TV may feel unnecessary. So in 2026, is it actually worth it? I would say definitely if you want live TV, sports, and the cable style channels without boxes. But I would say no if you are trying to save money and only stream on demand content. So if this review helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.